Students and instructors pushing for stricter COVID-19 guidelines on the University of Georgia campus, greeted by counter-protesters today opposing mask and vaccine mandates on campus. This face-off coming as infections among college-age kids and adults are spiking in Georgia. Caitlin Ross is breaking down the numbers for us tonight. Caitlin?
Sheba, 18 and 29-year-olds in this state are dominating the number of infections, getting diagnosed more frequently than any other age group. That group includes college-aged kids who are back on campus in Georgia. Protesters on both sides of the mask and vaccine debate came out with signs and megaphones in Athens today.
We need our leaders at our university to speak in favor of science-based policy.
UGA professor Dr. Janet Frick says she wants the university to institute a mask mandate for all classes on campus. She says right now a lot of students aren't wearing them.
The numbers just don't support taking a, well, if you feel like it, approach.
UGA, with a student population of about 40,000, has more than 500 self-reported cases of COVID on campus right now.
We want to be open. We want the campus to be safe for our students.
But counter-protesters argue it should be a personal decision.
A new vaccine is not the only way to fight COVID.
PhD candidate Mike Francis says he doesn't think the school can mandate it.
Why should someone have to listen to the federal government instead of their doctor?
The vaccination rate in Clark County for college-aged adults is less than half the vaccination rate for Metro Atlanta. But colleges across the state are seeing a spike in COVID cases. At Georgia State University and UGA, the numbers of infections are higher than they were at this time last year. Georgia Tech's infection rate is lower than last fall, but about 7% of its COVID tests are still coming back positive.
Our campus is doing everything that it can within the confines that the Board of Regents has placed on us. We are encouraging masks, encouraging vaccines, but that is insufficient when over 1,000 other campuses have mask and vaccine mandates right now.
The state school policies are in stark contrast to private schools in Georgia that already have mandated vaccines and masking indoors and out in the state. How different schools are handling the pandemic tonight at 6.